Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 8. Cashing a check.
What can I help you with today?
I would like to make a deposit.
Will that be cash or check?
I'm depositing a check.
Could you sign the back of the check, please?
All right. Here you go.
Would you like any cash back?
That would be great.
How much would you like?
I would like $150.
Here is your $150.
Thanks for everything.
How may I help you?
I'm making a deposit today.
Cash or check?
I would like to deposit the check.
You need to sign the back.
Okay. Here you go.
Would you like cash back?
Yes, I would.
How much?
Let me get $150 back.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good one.
What can I do for you?
I need to make a deposit.
Are you depositing cash or a check?
I'm depositing a check.
Please sign the back of the check.
There you go.
Do you want cash back?
Yes, please.
How much cash would you like?
I want $150.
Here is your $150.
Thank you, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.